We are pleased to introduce a complete equipment package for SiP panel production, featuring a high-performance adhesive application system and a reliable press for fast, precise results. We have redesigned our equipment to ensure that installation at the customer site takes as little time as possible. The set arrives in a ready-to-use condition. Simply fill in the adhesive, adjust the application system, and connect air and electricity. Installation of this package takes just 1 day. Our production process uses advanced bonding technology with one-component polyurethane moisture-curing adhesive and a cold pressing method for panels. Once the pressing cycle is complete, panels can be easily removed from the press with a forklift. Depending on the required panel output, this line can be equipped with 1 to 4 presses, allowing you to scale up production capacity as needed. The adhesive application unit can be supplied as a stationary system or mounted on wheels or rails, depending on your facility layout. Contact us, and we will help you organize the technological process at your production site.